How to train your brain to fall asleep in 60 seconds. We all know that getting a good night's sleep is essential for the good condition of our health. Sadly, a great number of people suffer from insomnia, particularly those who deal with stressful situations which can have many negative effects on the body, including elevated anxiety levels, muscle fatigue, and cognitive impairment. Have you ever heard of 4-7-8 breathing technique? It is an effective technique that will work even on the most sleepless of insomniacs. How to perform this breathing technique? This method was developed by Harvard-educated Dr. Andrew Weil, a wellness practitioner who studies breathing and medication and how they can be used to fight stress. It is very simple and easy to perform. You should inhale through your nose for a count of 4 seconds, hold your breath for a count of 7 seconds, and exhale through your mouth for a count of 8 seconds. It is recommended to repeat this cycle 4 times or as needed until you fall asleep. In order to successfully perform this exercise, it is very important not to speed up your breathing as you will want to do, but to maintain the 4-7-8 breathing pattern for as long as you can. This will slow down your heart rate and will have you dozing off immediately. Why it works? By inhaling for a count of 4, you are pushing yourself to take in more oxygen. You are enabling the oxygen to flow throughout your bloodstream by holding your breath for a count of 7. By exhaling for 8 seconds, you are expelling carbon dioxide steadily from your lungs. This technique allows your body to relax completely by slowing your heart rate and increasing the levels of oxygen in your bloodstream. It is completely natural, healthy, and safe way which will help you to fall asleep immediately. So, the next time you're having a sleepless night, we recommend you to try this simple breathing exercises and see its effectiveness.